Honestly, the hype got me. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to all my returning clients. Much love and appreciation as always. But if you're new here though, my name is Hayes, veterinarian, sneakerhead, hence the name, the shoe vet. Today's video, we're going over what I would consider not necessarily a new trend, but I think it is the current trend. And that's gonna be cloggers or mules, whichever one you prefer. And again, the important part is this, because I wanted to title, I think I may even still title this, this new trend. But again, I don't really think it's new because these have definitely been really on fire in the sneaker world before. I think it's just what is currently trending now. We know that history likes to repeat itself. We know that trends like to resurface, come and go, back and forth, yada yada. And I think right now, the slip-on mules, cloggers right now are it. So what I want to do in this video is I first want to go over why I think these shoes are currently trending, or why they trend in general. And then I'm kind of going to talk about my own personal experience because honestly, the hype got me. So both of these are coming from the actual, Crocs store. These in person. This one I actually hit on a raffle online. Unfortunately, I missed on the Salahay Ben Berries, but somehow or another, I got tequila. And the weird part about that is I'm not even a fan of tequila. The reason why I like these shoes though is for three different big reasons, okay? The first one's gonna be practicality. If you think about it, you can slip your foot in and out of these shoes multiple times within less than 5 seconds if we're keeping it 100. There are no laces that you have to sit there and tie up and potentially trip on over. There's nothing to snap or zip up or anything like that. You just slide your foot in, you do what you gotta do, and you slide your foot out, and that's it, done. A lot of practicality. Like these shoes are just, and the thing about it is, moving on to the next point, is they're comfortable. Most of these shoes, especially the ones made by Crocs themselves, are pretty much essentially, really foamy. And this foam right here is really comfortable on the foot. Therefore, you can not only have an easy ride, you can have an easy ride the entire day with these shoes. I see plenty of people walking up and down the strip, traveling, et cetera, et cetera. It makes them really good for airport security too as well, because again, with that practicality, you just slip them off, go through check, put them back on, done. No laces, no zips, no snaps, nothing whatsoever. The last reason why I like them though, honestly, is they're kind of fashionable, to be honest with you, because if you think about it, they're not just like a typical, slab of foam with an overlapping strap on the top of it or anything like that. These are a little bit different. They still have a strap on them. You can flip it forward, you can flip it backwards, things like that. And especially with the Crocs, I mean, these are honestly the kings of customizability because why? You have these little giblets. Or gibbets, excuse me. I keep wanting to say giblets. I don't know why, but the gibbet. You have the gibbets in there so you can kind of add your own spin to them. Of course, if there's any like special editions, like the tequila one, you will have the tequila themes, like the lime, the shot glass, the shot glass, the salt, things like that. So yeah, those are three really big reasons. And it's not even just these. You can go all the way to things like the Yeezy runners. That is a crazy shape. And I mean, right now, if you think about it, there are plenty of brands that are really jumping on this trend, ranging from things such as New Balance all the way up to your luxury fashion houses such as Balenciaga, as well as Louis Vuitton. So yeah, these are really catching fire. Now, how is my experience with these? Now, I haven't been able to wear these just yet, but I did kind of track around the house with these a little bit, and I still stand by my original judgment with these. Super comfortable, easy to get around the house in. If I have to step outside, take the trash out, or get the mail or whatever like that, I mean, these are just fine doing so, and I still look good doing it. These, on the other hand, these are out there. This crazy loud green color, and the only thing that I want to talk about Crocs is just the sizing, okay? So I'm a true to size 9.5. These are in an 8 and these are in a 9, and because they come in whole size, just FYI. These shoes fit pretty big. I understand it's got to have enough room to, slip my foot in or anything like that, but these are huge. These almost feel like these will be like a size 10, to be honest with you. So with that being said, at least for me, I'm definitely gonna be sizing down a full size and a half down to a size 8 because there is no 8.5. But these size 8s right here are a lot more comfortable, and I do feel a little bit more secure in these shoes than these. You know, just trying them on, I didn't really walk around that much, but just trying them on, it did feel like almost my foot is gonna almost fly out, especially if I don't have the strap in the back. But needless to say, I do love the customization with the giblets in here. Again, the theme, you know, the umbrella, the ice cubes, the salt, the lime, the shot glass, even down to the parrot on the strap. Yeah, these are really amazing shoes. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and bite the bullet on the solid head Ben Berries. That purple one is just calling my name. I can't, I know they're coming out with different colors. I just cannot get it out of my head. And it's literally the only thing I'm thinking about in my head for the most part right now concerning Crocs. But anyways though, that's gonna do it for today's video. I hope you guys do enjoy. If you have a pair of Crocs, how do you feel about them? Did they change your life? Did you already join the hype years ago? Did you just jump on it? Let me know in the comments down below. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you guys become a client. You do that by hitting the description down below, as well as the notification bell so you'll be notified of my next appointment. Make sure you guys also follow me on Instagram. The handle is at drhayes91, and that is going to be in the description box down below too as well. Hope you have a great day. See you on the next video.